आवाज आ रही है अब आपको? ओके। So integration of RFID tags with wireless sensor network was discussing. To overcome the single hop limitation, the sensor tag can be equipped with wireless transceivers and flash memory and computational capabilities. So in this case, you can see the tag is very simple. It is only in the range of the reader and it can send data. While in this figure, you can see there are two tags that are in the range, but one tag is out of the range. So to make multi-hop communication, we need tags that has wireless transceivers. Means this tag must have a transmitter and receiver antenna, flash memory, and computation capabilities like very small CPU, you can say, processing unit. So this tag will send data to tag 2 and then that data will land it in reader RFID reader. It cannot send directly to reader. This is the one type of integration of RFID. So integration of RFID readers with wireless sensor network nodes. This type of integration is also done to increase the range of RFID tag readers. So here, as opposite to the previous one, we have more readers, and multi-hub communication is possible because of this integration. Just like RFID tags, RFID readers will also be equipped with wireless transceivers and microcontroller. The census tag data will be reached to the reader. The data from the reader will ultimately reach to the central gateway or base station that forward the data to the communication network and then to the cloud. So here you can see we have a host, we have a sync host computer, and this is RFID sync. This one, the, the circle, this is known as RFID reader in our figure, and the square, and this square, the solid square, it is the RFID that is outside the sync range, and these are the these are the tags that are directly connected to the sync, or it is in the range of the sync. So you can see these are in the range. These are in the range, and the tag readers that are in the range of the readers can send directly data uh, to the sync. While you can see these are the tags that are not in the range. So we have multiple readers, and this tag data will be sent to 12, and the 12 RFID reader will send that to RFID reader 4, and RFID reader 4 will send that data to RFID reader 2, and thus it will eventually reach to sync of this network. Okay, so we should start. Uh, we should start the test. I'm uploading the test on LMS.
Sir, सर।
जी,
सर जो स्टूडेंट लेट आए हैं ना, उनका एलएमएस नहीं बना, दो उनका इशू है।
जो स्टूडेंट लेट आए हैं, क्या वो उनका एलएमएस नहीं बना हुआ?
नहीं सर।
मैं व्हाट्सएप पर भी भेज रहा हूँ।
यस सर।
सर थोड़ा टाइम ज्यादा कर दें प्लीज।